Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the recent rules which the government has incorporated under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021. This particular act was passed in March 2021. So according to these new rules, the gestational limit for termination of pregnancy has been increased from 20 to 24 weeks, that too in exceptional categories. Earlier, this limit was up to 20 weeks. So if anyone has to terminate their pregnancy, then first of all, they should do it within 12 weeks. And if there are exceptional categories, that is, if there is a threat to the life of woman, then it can be extended up to 20 weeks, that too with the permission of the doctor. And two doctors needs to advise that termination of pregnancy is required. But now this limit has been increased from 20 to 24 weeks. So these new rules determine the categories of women who will be allowed to terminate their pregnancy. So these categories include women who are minors or who are survivors of sexual assault, rape, or and any woman who has any physical disability, and those whose marital status has changed. Marital status thing is something new. Like if a woman who was pregnant earlier, but during the pregnancy, if her marital status changes, that is, if she has taken any divorce or she has become widow, then she can opt for terminating her pregnancy. But for all of this, advice of a doctor is required. These categories also include cases of fetal malformation. These are those cases where there's a risk of physical or mental abnormality. A fetus might suffer from any kind of physical or mental abnormalities, then a woman can go for termination of pregnancy. Or a mentally ill woman and women in case of disasters or emergency situations, then they can opt for termination of their pregnancy. They can go for abortion. So these are the categories under which termination of pregnancy is allowed. These rules also talks about the formation of state level medical board. Now, what is the function of this board? What they do? If if any case comes that pregnancy needs to be terminated after 24 weeks, in cases, these are the cases where there is fetal malformation, then this board plays a very important role. This board decides, they discusses, they sees, they inquires, they see the report of the woman that whether this particular termination is required or not, and it is upon them to accept or reject the request. But whole this process of inquiring, seeing the report needs to be done within 3 days from the day when this particular board receives the request. And they also have the duty to ensure whenever they say that okay, it is required, termination is required and it needs to be done, then it is their duty to ensure that abortion procedure is carried with all precautions along with counseling when advised by them. Okay, so it's their duty to ensure that everything is happening properly with full precaution, with every possible thing that is required that needs to be done, it should be done. And the procedure will be done within 5 days of receiving the request for it. So this is all about the new rules which has been incorporated under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.